everybody, this is Lady Cara Kim and welcome back on my channel. Today we are gonna do a vlog thing. We're gonna live our best life but together. We're gonna create a memory together. Even though you're watching me behind your screen, just know one thing, that is this memory that I'm gonna create, you're gonna have it too. Because we're gonna see the same things. It's amazing. It's kind of magical. The internet is magical. So we're going into Mother Nature this afternoon. We're gonna walk around, talk to flowers, and fortunately we won't be encountering humans because humans COVID. No thanks, I don't want that. Don't say hello to me. I'm not wishing you a good day, okay? Because you might have the COVID, okay? And I might have it too, so let's not greet each other and be assholey, kind of. Anyways, that's not the point. So this afternoon we're gonna go into Mother Nature, and what I like right now about Mother Nature is that the flowers are going crazy. They're like, look at me, I'm so beautiful and colorful, and also I produce a lot of pollen, so your nose is itchy and your eyes are gonna be red. But I love spring. Don't get me wrong, this is my favorite season of them all. Look at that. Impressive? Nope. But I did it, so I'm kind of happy about it. So that's what we're gonna do, and probably we're gonna paint maybe tonight. But I really want to paint, and I put that aside for a very long time, and I don't know why. I always had pitiful excuses like, oh my god, dog barked at me today, so I can't paint. Does that make sense? No. That's what making excuses is made of, like nonsense. Because if you want to do it, just do it. You know, I know it sounds easy, but actually it is easy. I think the last time I've painted, I don't remember. But it might have been 4 months. Oh my god! So I'm still a shitty painter, but I still enjoy it very much. I paint every 4 months. Like, can you call me Van Gogh by now? I don't know if you noticed, but my hair is now dead. Officially dead. I'm very excited about it. I bleached it because impulse, you know.
Hello my baby, why you so damn beautiful? First off, in the morning, you're the most beautiful creature in the world. Yes you are, you my baby. You my baby. I'm the happiest human being. Because you're in my life, man. Because you're in my life.
Oh my god. Yeah, do you feel that? Like I feel like I do that, like my abs are telling me, girl, if you want us to show up, maybe you should stop having snacks between your meals.
This is what I do on my free days. I just whistle. Sir Scotty, sir, I have parsley for you. Sir, are you listening to me right now? I have a huge bucket of parsley for you. Scotty, where are you? Please show up to my very face. Scotty, I can see you under there. Can you please come and get your due? Scotty, Sir Scotty, why are you not coming to me? Is that because I'm making this weird voice? Or is that because you're already annoyed by me? It's just the morning, Scotty. You gotta... What a cute little boy. You're the cutest. Oh my god, why are you so beautiful? I don't get it. Oh my god. My heart is beating so fast. Is that love? Non mais I don't have more, no more. Bah non, hein. Non, j'ai pas plus. Mon gars, sniff, mais j'ai pas plus. Hein. Espèce de sniffer. Sniffer, arrête de sniffer. Bye, my lord. Live your best life. It's cute. Oh my god, so cute. Can you see the cuteness? It's cute. Oh my god, is that cute too? Welcome to my pimple tour. Here is Joanna. And here we have another journey. Oh, I have a scar here because I'm I used to be in the mafia, okay?
If you're wondering, am I still the goddess of rolling? The answer is yes. And let me show you. Ouch! Yep, that's the goddess move.
Okay, welcome to the pee-pee room where I pee. Leave me alone. I need my intimacy. You're very, very in my face right now, and I don't feel comfortable about it.
Hello. You're so beautiful. So beautiful girls. Beautiful girls all around the world. À côté de gna gna, je connais pas les paroles. You are beautiful. You are beautiful too. All of you are beautiful. You are so fucking beautiful. Holy shit, are you gonna kill me? Is it my time is coming? Salut les belles! Salut!
Okay guys, my toner arrived. So we're gonna do that tonight actually. New activity alert. My hair, if everything goes well, is gonna be lavender grey. And it's from Bleach London. It's cruelty free. And so my rabbit, when he's gonna look at me in the eye, he's gonna be, oh, she's not a complete dickhead after all. Because she's cruelty free. So yeah, let's do that tonight and then we're gonna paint together. Alright guys, this is it actually. Thank you very much for watching. Kisses on your buttholes and see you very soon. Yeah, I guess you can subscribe if you want and like it and like the video and see you soon. Now I'm gonna sleep. You know, that's an activity I love doing, especially at night.